Hello everyone, how to make background with multiple layers, each one moving with different speed. This is called parallax effect. Let's make it in Godot engine. Start by creating a scene, set the root node to node 2D and add a parallax 2D node to represent a single layer of your background. Add the sprite 2D node as a child of your parallax 2D and assign it the texture of one of the layers of your sky. Let's duplicate the node to make the second layer. Assign the second layer's texture and then do this process again for the third layer. In this tutorial, I only have 3 layers, but you can have as many as you want. Now one thing is important, our texture is too small compared to our viewport size. So let's just scale the textures 2 times like this and move them so they are aligned with the viewport. Now select all the layers and set their repeat size to the size of the texture. Since we scaled the texture 2 times, the size must also be scaled. Repeat size means that after how many pixels will the texture start repeating. So in our case, it was 576, which is the original size of the texture, times 2. So it was after 1152 pixels that the texture will start repeating horizontally. We can do the same vertically, but in our game there is no vertical repetition since the camera is only allowed to move left and right. But if your game has such feature, then you can use this one as well, like this. Remember that we have selected all of the layers. That's why the effect is applying to all layers at once. Now let's quickly add a camera to test our parallax setup. Move the camera here and attach a script to move the camera left or right. This script just moves the camera left or right based on our input buttons. So let's quickly test our setup. We see when camera moves left or right, nothing really happens. All the layers move with the same speed. This is because we haven't set up the scroll scale of each layer. This property defines how fast the layer will move when camera is moving. To make the layer move slower, we need to reduce this value. So for layer 1, the value will something be like 0.4, and for the layer 2, it will be like 0.8, and for layer 3, we keep it as 1. Now let's test it. You see, now all the layers are moving with different values. It is because of their different scroll scales. This is the standard way to make the parallax layers in Godot engine. The second way is when your camera has no such movement and you want the layers to move automatically in some direction. For this, you just animate the scroll offset directly in your script. Let me show you one example. Suppose you have added a script to the root node, and in the process function, you modify the scroll offsets of each individual layer directly. Now let's test this one. Two layers are working, but due to the bug in code, one of the layer is not working. It is because we haven't put 3 here. Now let's test this again. You see, now the camera is not moving, but our background still does. It is because in each frame we have manually did the movement. That's all for parallax effect, and if you like the video, you can subscribe and leave comments for more content. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.